Hey, welcome back. Men's lifestyle expert Roland Acheampong is back with some tips on how to make the busy fall season a little less stressful. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Bob.
Yeah, I see we have some Rubbermaid containers here, something Denise could have used with some of her months-old food.
Yes.
Timmy.
And actually, you know, I intentionally did not bring food today because the last time I was here, you ate all my snacks.
Oh, it's what I do. Didn't they warn you?
They didn't give me
Didn't
enough
they tell you?
warning.
Anyways, yeah, so meal prep, let's talk.
Well, listen, you know, this time of year can be extremely hectic with back to school. So
Yeah.
I'm here to simplify your life and reduce some stress. And one way to simplify your life is by simplifying mealtime.
Right.
Mealtime can be extremely overwhelming at times, right?
Yeah.
So why not do some meal prep? What I like to do every weekend is I will cook up a storm on a Sunday night. I'll cook all my favorite foods.
Then you're good for the week.
I'm good for the week. So
Right.
I store them in these containers. You know, I'll cook dinners, lunches, even breakfast and snacks.
Yeah.
Store them in the fridge, in the freezer, and when I'm ready, I'm good to go.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
my lunch. It's just
That's a huge stress reliever.
It's a huge.
Once you know
and-
it's done.
And you know what? So the entire week you're not thinking about what you're going
You
to eat.
thank yourself every day of the week.
You really do.
Yeah.
You really do. And once you start doing meal prep, you don't go back
Right.
because it's just way too convenient. You save so much time,
Yeah.
and it's just the convenience of just having meals at your fingertips.
What about
there.
meal delivery services?
That's another thing I recommend for saving time,
Yeah.
right? So you can have a meal delivery service where they'll drop off the food, all the ingredients are there, so you're not spending too much time in the grocery store.
Right.
Nice, delicious recipes, cook up a storm in a matter of minutes,
Yeah.
right? So that's really
We've used that
important.
before. It's nice that it's just all there. You just open up the box and everything you need is laid out in front of you.
Exactly, and if you are going to spend time at the grocery store, I recommend using, to save money, because you know the prices have gone up,
Yeah,
right?
big
I
time.
use like a price matching app, right? So I'll go in and every time I shop, I'll probably save anywhere between $2 to $10 a time. So,
Oh, really?
Hey, it's all about saving a little bit of money.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good pro tip.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Exercise.
Yes.
Is this a must, Roland?
This is a must.
Yeah.
All right. I might make you drop and do 15 right now.
No.
All right. It is a must. Look, we need to carve out some time for ourselves. All right. It's so important to take care of our bodies, get fit, healthy, and you can do it all in the comfort of your home. It's very convenient, very easy. I got all of these accessories. They're all Everlast. They're a leader in boxing and fitness equipment.
Right.
So I got this weighted ball here. You know, want to give it a go here?
Oh, 15 pounds. I can't. No.
Okay, yeah, that's a little bit. I have, actually it's my slam ball, but I have a weighted skipping
Seriously?
rope. Do you want to try skip?
Give me a demo.
Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Your turn.
Ow! I missed.
You missed. There you go. You know what? It's so important. It's so important to just work out in the comfort of your home.
Yeah.
You know, I got
So
resistance
no one has to see
bands,
that.
and so no one has to see that, right? Can
Right.
get fit, get healthy.
Yeah.
All at home.
Okay.
Right? So I got all of these things at Canadian Tire, so you can totally elevate your workout and get fit this year.
Okay. Yeah. So what do you, the bands? How do you use them best?
Well, well, do you want to give it a go?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your legs in between there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Stepping on it. Wait.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Here, just step on the back one.
On the back one.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, hang on. I got it.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now we're just going to do some simple arm curls, all right? So
Okay.
just bring it up towards your chest.
Yeah.
There you go. Squeeze, and then all the way down. There we go. Back up, squeeze.
Look at this.
There you go.
2 reps and our chests are identical.
I can see that. I can see that.
This is magic.
It's magic, all from the resistance band, all right?
Wow.
Right,
Yeah.
so save some time, work out in the comfort of your home, all right?
Yeah. But I'm more into moisturizing, Roland.
Yes. Well,
As we segue down the table.
that's right. This is a great way to end your night, right?
Yeah.
I have a nighttime routine. It's all part of my self-care. So as I'm washing my face, I'm saying my daily mantra. It's important, right? So I use CeraVe's foaming facial cleanser.
Yep.
And I also use their ultralight moisturizing lotion. This stuff is fantastic, right? It's with SPF 30,
Yep.
both for normal to oily skin. All right, we're gonna just crack this open here.
Yeah.
Right, just put it on your hands
Yep.
there. There we go. And let me tell you, it makes you feel fantastic, right? They have ceramides, right? That will help restore the skin's natural barriers.
Pro tip, don't mush it in with TV makeup. Because it's a hideous look.
No, it doesn't work, all right?
Roland, thank you. Greasy handshake. See you.
Thank you so much,
See
my
you
friend.
back on Morning Live.